Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. I am teaching you yoga from scratch, from zero, and this is day 17. I hope you have learned a lot in these 16 days of practice, and I recommend you to practice it at least for a month. This is my WhatsApp number that you can see on screen. If you want to join my live online sessions, you can contact me on that number and I'll share you the details. All right, let's take the practice forward. If you are practicing on a regular basis with me, let me know what's your name and how you're feeling about the practice. All right, let's begin. Keep your feet together, head straight, eyes open, focus on your throat, breathe deep and loud. Now, move your head side to side, keeping your breath normal, natural. Move as freely as is comfortable to you. Now move it up and down. Now start rotating, one clockwise movement, one anti-clockwise movement. Complete 5 rotations at least and then relax. Now clench your fist, thumb in folded with the forefingers. Deep inhale, hold the breath, and retaining the breath inside, rotate your arm in the forward direction for as long as is comfortable for you to retain the breath. The moment you feel you are not comfortable anymore, that is when you will release. How you will release? You will bring your fist in front of the chest and exhale with force. Now, relax and repeat the same thing in the reverse direction. Deep inhale, hold the breath, rotate your arm in the backward direction for as long as is comfortable. The moment you feel you're not comfortable holding the breath, bring the fist in front of the chest and exhale with force. Now, as you inhale, swing your arms back, opening your chest and shoulder. Exhale, return. Inhale, swing back. Exhale, return. Keep moving. Now open your legs wide and comfortable. Spread your toes. Push your heels down. Palms on your waist. Thumb in front. Forefingers back. Rolling your shoulders backward. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Keep moving. Relax. Feet together, arms opening sideways. Deep inhale in the center, exhale, bend on the side. Inhale up in the center, exhale on the other side. Keep moving. Inhale center, exhale side. Inhale center, exhale side. Relax. Next, open your legs shoulder level distance, extend your arms forward, fingers together, rapidly twist back, gazing at the thumb of the back hand. Constant twisting, constant exhalation. Every time you twist back, exhale, exhale, exhale. Relax. Now, as you inhale, open your arms and legs. As you exhale, close. Don't hit your thigh, don't touch your head. Relax. Now reverse the breath. Movement will remain same. Breath will reverse. Exhale, open. Inhale, close. Relax. Now, in the next practice, keep your feet together, clench your fist, thumb and folded with the forefingers, extend your arms forward, inhale, bend down, retaining the breath, come up, rotate your arm back, exhale, down. Inhale, bend down, retaining the breath, come up, rotate your arm back, exhale, down. Inhale, bend down, come up, rotate your arm back, exhale, down. Keep moving. Relax. Next two practices are yogic sthula vyayam. First is Sarvang Pushti. Open your legs as wide as is comfortable. Clench your fist, thumb and folded with the forefingers, arms up, left front, right back. Inhale, pull your body up, twist back, retaining the breath. Exhale, bend on the left side, switch your arms. Inhale up, twist back, exhale on the right, switch arms. Inhale up, twist back, exhale down, 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 switch arms, keep moving. That was Sarvang Pushti. Next and the last physical practice is Injun Daud. Today we are going to do it differently. Those of you who feel difficulty in running in Injun Daud can go for an easy approach. They can walk instead of running. Keep the same breath flow, arms and leg coordination. It's just that instead of running, you will be walking. In the last practice, I have showed you how to run backward and forward. Today, you will walk backward and forward. So clench your fist, thumb and fold the four fingers. One arm extended forward, other one close to the chest. This is how you are going to walk backward and forward. Every time you extend your arm forward, you are going to exhale. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Whichever arm is extended, opposite leg will be folding. Remember, exhale, 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 exhale. Okay, there is a call on my phone. My flow got broken, but you continue. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Okay, relax. Go hand to feet. Slow down your breath. Breathe through your nostrils. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Up inhale, release and relax in Shavasana with your legs apart, head, neck, spine in one straight line, arms few inches away from the body, palm facing the sky, body in the state of relaxation. Allow your whole body to relax. You have done engine walk instead of engine dawd, but you have walked for quite a long time. Your breath rate would have increased. Take your time, at least 5 minutes to relax your body. At least 5 minutes. Do not rush. Once your breath resumes its normal pace, you can practice deep breathing, you can practice belly breathing or chest breathing as I have taught you. No hurry, no rush. Just surrender your body on the mat and give it time to relax. This was session 17. I hope you are enjoying the sessions. Howsoever you are feeling, let me know in the comment section. Let me know your name because you are also my students now. Let me know your name, where are you from, and I will see you in the next video tomorrow. Take care, enjoy the rest of your day, keep practicing, stay connected. Namaste.